Okay guys, today I'll be talking about Philbism. Philbism is an epic religion where every morning and midnight you must pray and need a chair. You have to prove your worthiness to Philbis for his super cool sacrifice. Today, we have Philbis visiting. Philbis, what do you have in mind to tell our viewers? Chair, eat, chair, eat, chair, eat. Ah yes, chair, very inspiring eat. Words from our old pal Philbis. In honor of Philbis, I will be eating a chair. Okay, so first Lemma summon the chair with the power of Philbism. Okay, I'm done honoring Philbis. Now let's ask Philbis some questions. So Philbis, how is your day going? Lol, a good boy, you answered. Why do I feel kind away?